can't believe you're skipping out on trick-or-treating this year. Pretty cool looking houses though, huh? Yeah, this house is cool, I guess. No, just some bad memories, that's all. Oh, this one's pretty cool, Vader, huh? What do you mean, no, it's not? Bad memories? You know what? I don't even want to know. Seen enough houses, don't you think? No, I'm not clowning around. Let's go. Okay, fine.
I hope you are enjoying the night as much as I am. You can say
I don't know about that, buddy.
work-life balance. I bet that joke went right over your head.
For real though, Vader, we should start heading back towards the car. You know, 2 years ago I laid my life down on the line for you so you can go trick-or-treating in this town. And now you don't want to go trick-or-treating anymore? Really? Well, it's too late now. Everyone's pretty much done trick-or-treating. You know, this is what I get. This is what I get. Why do I do this for you? I don't know. I do a lot for you, and I still can't figure out why I do so much for you. Let's head back to the car. Maybe we can hit a house on the way back to the car. No, not that house. Vader, where you going, Vader? No, not that house, Vader, no! Vader! Vader, get back here! Vader? Really, Vader? Really? Of all the houses you could have picked? Of all the houses you could have picked? Of all the houses you could have picked? You picked this one. You two are still on good terms, right? You're not. We're about to find out real quick. Cool? Hi. Vader here was just stopping by real quick to say trick or treat and happy Halloween. And that's okay, right? Because you guys are like this, which means we are good. Okay? So we get away from your house now. Okay? What are you doing? Vader, what is he doing? What are you doing, Michael? Wait, what? Michael, Vader and I are flattered, but we can't do that right now. Because I'm sorry, Michael. Okay? Don't look at me like that. That's creepy. Please, I'm sorry. We can't give that to you right now. You're gonna have to wait like everybody else. Well, now, don't throw it. Wait, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? Vader, what is he doing? I thought you guys were cool. I'm sorry, Michael. I'm sorry, Vader. I can't do this. Okay, I'm sorry.
Hobcats and goblins and broomsticks and ghosts, covens of witches with all their hosts. You make me scare me.